Hi, this is Mel from MelPinkBuJo and welcome to day 10 of the daily unboxing videos of the advent calendar of 2023 for a lot of Christmas feeling and Christmas inspiration. So this package has this cute little heart-shaped label, which is out of some cork or something. So this is the cute candle in this pink glitter, as you can see here. And as you know, because of my name, I love pink. I absolutely love pink. And it's in this cute jar, so a metal jar to say so. And you cannot see it, but you can smell it. It smells and it's pink and glitter and it's perfect. So thank you very much. Stay tuned for the next unboxing video tomorrow.